Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and find your AnyDesk ID. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official AnyDesk application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go to the official website right here, AnyDesk.com, and from here you can get started downloading. So you're going to have the download now option that's going to enable you to install it. So once you've installed and open it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page here at the top of the screen, this is how it's going to look like. You're going to see at the top of the screen your address that you can get started with sending to other users to be able to remotely access your device. So let's go and take a look at how to go ahead and find your ID. So as you can see right here on this official AnyDesk Help Center article, we have a tutorial on how to get started with finding our ID and alias. So every AnyDesk client is identified by a unique address used to establish remote connections. So you need to know the ID or alias of the remote device to connect to remote devices. So basically guys, here is your AnyDesk ID and an example how it looks like. So you're also going to have an alias in a public namespace, but basically guys, this is randomly generated, and basically this is the numeric address automatically assigned to every AnyDesk application. And here you're going to go and be able to see your ID once you start the application. Right here immediately at the top of the screen, this is going to be your ID, call your address that you can send to other users to remotely use your device, and this is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.